everyone, welcome back to my channel, and to all my new subscribers, thank you so much. I know there's a lot of you lately, so make sure you comment and let me know where you're coming from. I've been super busy after work today making these, and I have needed these for a while. They are, well, they pretty much say on there what they are. Concrete heavy duty doorstops. I've got two very heavy doors downstairs in my house, my living room and my kitchen. They kill me all the time, and I end up just shoving stuff under there to keep them open. But not anymore. Nothing is getting past these. They are seriously heavy, made with concrete and rope, but actually I'm a little bit in love with them. It's my first attempt at doing some Ray Dunn inspired text. I'm not very good, but they're gonna be in my house, so it's all good. Anyway, disclaimer, if you decide to make these after seeing it on my channel, I cannot be responsible for any broken toes. Do not drop them, do not injure yourself, okay? Hope you like them, and if you'd like to see how I made them, keep on watching and I'll see you there. So to make these concrete doorstops, I am using these containers. Now, I've been saving these since last Christmas, so you know, I ate these especially for you. See, I'm dedicated. The inside they're foil, so basically the concrete will not stick to the inside, which is super handy. So I've got two empty containers. I've got my cement, I've got my rope, which I got from B&Q. I've got some spray paint here, and I've got a pen and hot glue gun, scissors, and some cutting, basically anything to cut the rope with. The first thing I'm actually going to do is cut my rope. So if you fancy making one of these, you want two pieces of rope that are pretty much identical in length. I'm going to make sure that when I hold it up against the container, I've got enough at the top to act as the handle. Guys, I forgot to mention my hot glue fingers, so I am going to use these for this DIY. You want to get your hot glue and you want to pour straight into the center of the container. You get it right in the center there, right in the center, huge dollop, and then be quick. You want to grab your rope with your fingers. If you've got hot glue fingers, brilliant. If you haven't, just be super careful. I'm going to pour a big dollop down into the center, as much as my hot glue gun can cope with it. Then I'm going to grab my rope, put both ends together and shove it down into the center, making sure that I've got it as central as possible to that container. Right, can you see that? Ah, the bottom's hot, so be careful, because obviously it's metal. But yeah, so I've just stuck that down right in the center of the container, and now I'm going to do the other one. Hot glue fingers, they are the way forward. The glue just literally rolls straight off because they are silicone. Love these. Love this invention, actually. Right, so off camera, I reinforced, just because it's time, I reinforced the bottom. So there's tons of glue in there, never gonna move. And that's all you have to do. Just pour a little bit of glue down on top. If you've got hot glue fingers, you can really get in there with your fingers, smudge it all around, make sure that the whole of the bottom of that rope is coated. And yeah, so that's what you should be left with. Nothing moving. Next step, concrete. I am using this Quickset cement. It is exactly the same cement I used for my concrete pumpkins, but this is a much simpler project, so I'm not gonna panic. It's not gonna dry out on me. I am gonna mix 3 cups of cement powder to 1 cup of water, and then I'm going to pour them in. So I am going to use a jug this time. It's just going to make life easier for me. This is where you want to work fast. So I'm going to pull the rope taut and then pour this in. Shaking to make sure there's no air bubbles. Okay, while that one is drying, I'll just go ahead and do the second one. So I'm going to grab the rope, hold it out, and then pour the concrete in. I'm hoping you can see that angle. If not, I've gone and got it wrong again, but basically get it all in there. Give the container a bit of a wobble so that all the air bubbles come out. Can you see that? And then I'm just going to hold it here for about 3 to 4 minutes to make sure that sets and then I can just let go of the rope. And that is it. So I have poured the concrete into both. They are a bit hot to touch because they are, they've got the foil insert. I'm guessing the bottom is even hotter, but they are solid as a rock. I'm just going to leave them maybe for another half an hour to an hour. They only need 10 minutes, but I'm actually going to try and do this one right. Which is, if you've been watching me a while, you know I usually mess up most of my DIYs, but they turn out good. They turn out good. Keep watching, keep watching. Next step for me is to cut off pretty much the top half of the cardboard. I don't want it all. I'm going to leave the bottom half of cardboard on to basically allow the rope to stick better. So yeah, basically get a blade, go easy, and roughly gauge where you want to cut. So do go easy. Go slowly. Don't hurt yourself. And basically cut the cardboard all the way around. Doesn't matter if it's rough because the rope is going to cover that bit. Then you want to cut the top and peel it away. Beautiful. Oh, it's hot. Beautiful though. Look at that. Love it. Absolutely love it. This is why I love concrete. Okay, and there you have the doorstop. So the top is a little bit flaky. You can just press that off. If you wanted to, you could get sand in and just sand the edge so it's nice and smooth. But that rope is set in there. Absolutely solid as a rock. That is never gonna move. Okay, that is the top peeled off of both of them. For future reference, mini cheddars peeled off a lot easier. I am just gonna sand down those edges now and give it all a wipe with a damp cloth just to get rid of that concrete dust. Change of plan at this stage. My plan originally when I filmed was to spray paint, but I think that's going to be ag, so I am going to be using these acrylic paints. I think they're gorgeous, calm colours. So I have got light grey and dark grey. These are actually just from the range. You can get them in like Hobbycraft and yeah, hobby shops basically. So yeah, we've got gorgeous acrylics. I'm going to paint them instead. I think it's going to be easier as well with the rope in the way. So yeah, let's get cracking. Two steps left. We're going to put the rope on the bottom half coming up to here, and then we're going to write the words on. Jobs are good on people. This one is easy. The rope stuck on, so if you turn them over you will see that the base is still there from the original carton, which is what I wanted. I didn't want to have to put concrete on my wooden floors. So yeah, absolutely in love with these. All I have to do now, get my pen out and do some writing on them. Now you can leave them plain if you want, but I am going for some Rae Dunn inspired text. I'm not gonna lie, I had not heard of Rae Dunn until I met Tony over on Instagram and through her YouTube channel. Do you think that does what it says on the tin? Absolutely rock solid. My doors will never move again. I'm in love. Actual love. I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, make sure you do what you do. Give me a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. New subscribers, let me know where you're from. If you've made it to the end, congratulations. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.